Hey guys, my name is DeAnna and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome aboard. If you like wig tutorials and if you like to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. Alright, so today I am reviewing Sensational Swiss Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber. It's from the What Lace collection and it's in the style BRIELLE in the color Flamboyage Gold. So this is what the unit looks like, and it has an undetectable flawless hairline, HD lace, and hair illusion lace wig. This unit does come in some specialty colors and there is a $4 upcharge. The price for this unit ranges about for $54 and I got it from Wig Types. So let's dive into some of the pros and cons and the specs for this unit. So it does have two combs back here, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. It is not big head friendly. I don't know what to call this. Like the caps, like when I think of big head friendly, I think of the cap size. The cap size, I would say the cap size is medium, you know, maybe big head associate, as my girl Kyra Sean says. But the lace on here is just not long enough. This unit gave me so much freaking trouble. I don't think I even slayed it the way I would have really liked to, because the lace keeps sliding back. Like right now, it hurts, because the glue is like sticking on to dear life and it just wants to go back. Yeah, I don't think this unit has enough lace on it. I tried my best with trying to slay this unit. Honestly, I was having trouble. It doesn't look as nice as I would like it to look because the lace keeps sliding back. So, you know, I sprayed this like about 5 times. Why is it not sticking? And it's not me. I use my Got To Be Glued. I have the gel and the blasting spray, and I use my blow dryer, but the unit just kind of wants to like shrink on my head. So yeah, I definitely think this unit needs more lace. If you haven't yet, make sure you check out my review on the sister unit. I had such an, easier time blending that one in. I don't know if it was maybe like, I think maybe it was like the hair texture, because it kind of blended in with my textured hair. But I know that DeAnna Monet had some problems with it as well. So make sure you guys check out her review to that unit as well. The lace size is 13 by 6, but I don't know. I think maybe they need more cap in the back. I don't know. Something's off because it keeps sliding back and it shouldn't be doing that. And it is air to air. You guys can see. There is actually some space in between, you know, the hair and the unit. So it's not coming all the way to my ears. And I decided to give myself an Aaliyah-like hairstyle. I wanted to play around with this unit a little bit. But overall, I think that this is a cute unit. And there is a lot of shedding with this unit. It has been tangling, as you guys saw earlier when I was, you know, putting it on. It was tangling. I was trying to style it and play around with it, and it was tangling, and I had just took this out the package. So, you know, there shouldn't be any reason why this unit is tangling so quickly. It is nice and thick, so that is a plus. I've been on this vacation mindset for the past couple weeks, so I brought out another outfit for you guys. I had wore this to Mexico, and no, I don't have a vlog for that one, but I do have a vlog for Thailand, so make sure you guys check that out, and I will give you guys a 360. This unit is long as heck. Super, super long. I even went out of my way and stayed in the bathroom this time because a lot of the time I be faking it, y'all. I will pretend I'm blow drying out here, but I'm really in the bathroom. But because I knew that this was going to be such a long process, I was like, let me just take them in the bathroom so I can like really do it. And yeah, I'm not happy right now. This thing is like slipping off my head. I don't know what's going on. But no one wants to pay, you know, $50 and then have to do all this stuff for the unit. And then when they're making these wigs, what do they think people are wearing these for? Like once in a blue moon? Are we supposed to wear them every day? Like I would love to see what their recommendation is for these units. You know, put it on the stock card, meant to wear once in a blue moon. Because why do I have to do all this work? What if I wanted to wear this every day and I have to do this every single day? No, I don't want to. It's too much. I went in with my leftover foundation from my beauty blender underneath. I put foundation on there, and then I held each section down, as you guys saw, to blow dry, and it's not holding because this freaking cap size is too small. So yeah, I like BRIELLE. I like the thought of BRIELLE. But I just feel like some of these wet laces are, you know, I don't know. Cause I had Kiari when I was in Thailand. I'll show you guys a photo. But I didn't even get a chance to review it because that wig was so trash. Like after my vacation, I just threw it away. So yeah, it was so trash. I don't know. I think for me personally, I don't know about everyone else, but for me personally, with synthetic hair, I feel like I'm able to blend better when it's a natural hair like textured unit. I don't know if it's maybe just me, maybe I struggle with, you know, straight hair like this, or maybe it's the actual, you know, wig line, but I don't know. Like I liked my outcome better with Letitia than I did with this. So let me know your thoughts below, drop some comments, and let me know what you guys think. It is May, so that means the weather is going to be getting warmer. We are in quarantine, so if you guys have been working out at home, or if you know someone that has hot flashes, my husband and I are selling cooling towels on Amazon. You wet the towel, you wring it, and you shake it out, and it keeps you cool. So we took these to Thailand with us. We were on the dirt bikes. I had a cousin who went to Arizona, and he loved this. So yeah, my mom uses these at nights if she has a hot flash in the middle of the night. She wets it, wrings it, shakes it out, and she'll keep it next to her bed. So if she does wake up in the middle of the night with a hot flash, it's still cool. So it, you know, she just puts it on or wraps it around her head and goes from there. Make sure you guys leave some comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you next time.